Hey folks, it's Don from Elastic Strength and the Hypercarnivore Diet, and as you know, I'm an advocate of using elastic resistance bands to load bodyweight exercises to make them more effective and productive. And in the past, I've shown how I used my power rack setup with some carabiners and other hardware attached to the bottom of the power rack in order to attach body elastic bands and then to load push-ups. But I found that myself cumbersome, and I also wanted to find a way that I could recommend to everyone to use, so people who don't have my power rack set up. So I came up with a way to use the body elastic bands to load push-ups without having to attach them to a power rack, and that's what this video is about. So you need body elastics bands, and you need the body elastics loops that are used for attaching the bands to your ankles or your wrists. So you take a band, the appropriate band. You'll have to figure out what band is best for you by trial and error. Currently I'm using the red band, and you put the loops on like this, not through the steel loop, but just through the nylon loop like this. And then, so you got both of them on there like that. Then you take the band and attach the ends like so. So I've got the old bands that have the plastic clips, but some of you might have the new bands that have the metal clips. It doesn't matter, the same way. Works the same way whether they're plastic or metal. Then you stretch out the band thus. So you have the loop, you have the nylon bands or loops attached to it. And now you need the body elastics band protector. So I'm going to show you now what I do. I put the band inside the body elastics band protector. So this makes it comfortable against the back. And there, now you have two loops sticking outside each end of the body elastics band protector. Now you have two options. For most people, the best thing, the reason I have these bands on here, the loops, the nylon loops, is you put your hands in the nylon loops, and then you put the band behind your back. And you have the body elastics band protector across your back, so that's a lot more comfortable than just having the rubber band against your back, and the bands don't bind up your scapula. And you have your hands in these loops. Now, as you can see from this video, you can do ring push-ups or floor push-ups. I'll just do standing. I can also show you how you can use this for standing chest press, like so. Now for some people, some who have very short arms, the loops might make it too long. And originally I started out myself doing this. You can just put your hands in the loops, like so, and do the same thing. But it's not as comfortable on your hands. But for people who have really short arms, this might be the better way to do it. Most people, I think, can just use these the nylon loops like this. It's a lot more comfortable on your hands, and it gives you basically a full range of resistance from the band in addition to your body weight if you're doing a push-up on the floor or rings. So I think there's a much superior way to load your push-ups with the body elastics bands compared to the previous method that I used, because you don't need the power rack setup, you don't need any special hardware, and you can do this anywhere in a park or at home. Doesn't matter. It's always available to you, just as long as you have your body elastics bands with you. Now, I tried this with a 41-inch loop band, but the band is too long. The loop band is too long, so this really works best with the body elastics bands. So I hope that makes your push-up training more effective and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.